Hope you are doing okay. It is Victor and you are watching Visual Shorts. And here's a quick tutorial on how to split a layer inside of After Effects. If you are new, you might have probably made this mistake to drag down the layer and manually pulling the end of the layer. You shouldn't be doing that. Let me teach you a correct and easy way. What you have to do is select your layer and go in the edit menu and select split layer. It will automatically split your layer into two, or you can use a shortcut key which is CTRL SHIFT D and it will do the same purpose. Hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions or want to learn something different, comment down below. Take care and I'll meet you in the next one.